Okay, guys, sorry, that was call from Nirmala ma'am to record the session for the practicals. Okay, so until this topic, are you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now let us start with the first service of AWS, guys. Okay, what is the first service? Always IAM, whereas IAM refers to Identity Access Management. So anyone know anything about this? Yes, Harish sir, can you tell me something what you know about Identity Access Management? Just give it a try.
So it's basically deals with user access and the permissions,
Exactly.
etc. Yeah.
Super, sir. Super, super. As you said, it's perfect. Basically, IAM allows you to manage the users and their level of access to the AWS console. Okay. What you said, it's perfectly correct. Where to create the users and to create the groups and to manage the services, roles, policies, we will be using the IAM service. And it's also used for protecting our account. Okay, and it is important to understand IAM and how it works both for the exam point of view and for administrating a company's AWS account in real life. Okay, so this is very much important. Now let us see some of the key features of identity access management. Okay, IAM offers us the following features, where it gives us centralized control of our AWS account. Of course, whoever is the administrator of IAM, he will be having basically the root account holder will be the administrator. He will be having the centralized control of your AWS account. Okay, and shared access to your AWS account. Of course, you will be the person who will be eligible to share the access to other users. And granular permissions, yes guys, can you tell me can someone tell me what is granular permissions? Any idea? Any idea about granular permissions? No, right? Granular is nothing but it's a customizable permission. For example, here in the class there are three students, right? That is Suresh and Harish and Praveen. For example, for Suresh, I'll be giving the complete access, whereas for Harish, I'll be restricting some of the offers access. Okay, so and for Praveen, I'll be completely restricting the access. This is I can customize based on the users, the level of access or the level of permissions. That is called as the granular permissions. And identity federation, for example, just like how you can use your Facebook, your Gmail you will be using to create your Facebook account, Active Directory account, LinkedIn account, right? In the same way, you can use AWS account for identity federation for some of the services. What are those some of the services? In the later class, I'll be telling you. And it's used for multi-factor authentication for your AWS account, which is very necessary and which will be our first lab that we will be doing. And it provides temporary access for users or the devices and the service where it is necessary. For example, some third party has to access our AWS account for some particular service. Okay, for temporary purpose, that is for 1 or 2 hours, we can give the permission for that user. After the work, we can stop the permission. Even that providing the temporary access is available in IAM, and it allows you to set up your own password rotation policies. Of course, that is beautiful, which I'll be teaching you. And it integrates with many different AWS services. This part you will be seeing in the later part of the course, where how to integrate the IAM service with other services of AWS. Okay, so guys, can we do our first particular lab? Are you guys ready? So I'll be
Yes, sir.
stopping my screen share. Arish, can you please share me your screen so that Suresh and Praveen, please follow the steps what I can do, what I'll tell you to do. Okay. Before that, Harish, have you set up the multi-factor authentication on your mobile or on your AWS account? No, right? Kindly give me a response.
No, I didn't set up now.
Super.
I have tried it, but then
You're not
I
set up
didn't.
yet, right? That will be fine.
Yeah.
Super. Guys, do one thing. Every one of you, Suresh sir, Praveen sir, and Harish sir, kindly
Yeah.
download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phones first from the Play Store before doing the IAM service. Okay. Harish sir, by the time, kindly share me your screen, sir.
Yeah.
It's Google Authenticator. That will be the app from the Play Store.
So it's asking for permission to share.
It's
From
asking for
organizer.
permission. Yeah, I made
Yeah.
you as a presenter, sir. Yes, now you can share it.
Yeah.
Super. Yes, sir. So everyone can see Harish's screens, right? Yes, Praveen and Suresh. Super.
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Super. Please go to the in under all services. There will be a service called as IAM, which refers to the Identity Access Management. Please go to that service, sir. Harish suggest, yeah, from there.
Yeah.
Search it.
Yeah.
IAM. Super. So I hope Praveen sir, you have downloaded the Google Authenticator app. Yes. So under this, so this is the IAM dashboard, what we call it as. Okay. Now let us see. So just search for the multi-factor authentication word in this. No, don't search that. Don't search that in this particular screen, sir.
Okay.
You can find something called as
Okay.
multi-factor authentication or MFA. Not there. Not there. In the right side. In the right side. Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Just
Enable MFA for
enable
external. Yes. Go there. Sir, have you logged into your root account?
Yeah.
You have not set up the multi-factor authentication, right?
No, I have not set up.
Okay, then why it's showing?
This is
Just delete this user, sir.
yeah. This maybe I tried some time back. Maybe
Okay, okay. Let us see. Let us see.
I'll delete it.
Yes. Just delete this user. Just come back. Come back to the dashboard. Yeah. Just see for identity access management. This is multi-factor authentication over here. It will be in the enable MFA. Enable MFA. It will be in the fourth point, sir, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. Right. Right.
Yes. Why is it for yours? It's coming like this. It should not come, sir. Okay. Suresh, sir,
What is?
no, it should directly ask for the multi-factor authentication. I think you have already made it set up.
I haven't set up.
Okay. Let us see. Suresh, sir, can you share your screen for a moment?
No, sir, actually, I am working from office now, so I
Okay.
didn't carry my laptop.
Okay. Okay. Do one thing, sir. Can you please come back. Not
Yeah.
users. Don't go for users. Can you please come back?
Okay. Dashboard or
Come down. Come down a bit.
yeah.
You cannot see the multi-factor authentication, right?
No, there is no enable MFA.
Yes. Go there. Yes. Now it's been loaded. Please go for enable MFA.
Yeah.
Now it's loaded after deleting, of course. We have created the user, right? That is the reason. Here, please go for activate MFA. Okay, that's nice. See, here there are three options. That is, Authenticator app installed on your mobile device, or U2F security key, or the other hardware MFA devices. Sir, can I know what are the other hardware MFA devices? That is such as your
You have RSA tokens or something.
exactly our fingerprint scanner and other things. Okay, so as we don't have such devices, we can go for virtual MFA device. Okay, let us select that because we are having our mobile phone installed with Google Authenticator app as the virtual MFA device. So you can continue with it. Okay, yeah, you can press on show QR code. Now open your Google Authenticator app, and from that app scan this QR code. So from your Google Authenticator app, scan this QR code.
Yeah.
Scanned it, and
So
you will get a code.
Yeah.
Type that code in MFA code 1.
Yeah.
Okay, wait for 30 seconds. You will get a new code generated. Type that code in MFA code 2.
Okay.
Done. Assign.
Give us.
Go for assign MFA. Okay, close this. Now you have successfully assigned your multi-factor authentication, sir. From now on, at every login, okay, at every login, let us try this, sir. Can you please log out this from your account? Can you log out it and log in once again, so that you can?
Yeah.
Not from there, not from there. You are having that Harish live, right? Click on that. Harish live in the right side top, next to the notification bar.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it, right? Yeah. From there, and go for sign out. Okay, yeah. Your account is signed. Okay, now just sign into the console. Sign into the console. Okay, yeah. Give your credentials. Give your mail ID and password. You can give your password over here. See, your account is multi-factor authenticated, protected, so that at every login you will be asked your multi-factor authentication code, where you can open your Google authenticator and the code will be generated. You can type that code, and if and only if you type the exact code what it is generated at that time, you can log into your AWS account. Okay, this is how the multi-factor authentication works in AWS or in the IAM service. So clear with this first lab, sir?
Yeah.
Suresh sir, what about you?
Yeah, I just know it, and I just want to ask one more thing. Like, whenever we create IAM user, there also we can, while giving like access, that password and all, there also we can apply the same thing to the IAM user also, right?
Sir, of course. For everyone, we can use it.
Okay.
Okay. At the time of ACL, sir, we'll be learning access control list. At that time, I'll also be teaching you this thing. Okay.
Okay.
We also have a lab over there. Yeah. Yeah. Praveen sir, did you understood this particular topic? I hope you have understood, because I cannot hear you. If any problem in tomorrow's class, you can ask it out. Okay, sir. Now let us create a user in IAM. Let us see how to create a user and how to create a group. Okay, so you can go for IAM service once again.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. I think you know how to create the user, right? But kindly for others, just create it once again, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
The users are 0. You can click on the user in the dashboard or in the left side, which is available. You can click on the user, and here there are no users. It's empty. We need to click on the add user. Please click it, sir. Okay, here we can give the username, any customizable username. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You can just give your. Okay, super. And you can see that no, sir, one user is more than enough. If you want to add multiple users, you can use add another user. And there are two types of access over here. One is programmatic access, and another one is AWS management console access. Here, programmatic access we should not give, as because it's only for the developer, AWS developer people or other development tools, okay, for using that. But for AWS solution architect and associate course, AWS management console access is more than enough. And for the console password, it has two types of password. One is auto-generated password and custom password. It's better to go with auto-generated password, because it will be beautifully given in the Excel sheet, even the password, or else you can go for the custom password and give your own password. Okay, yes sir. And there is something option called as required password reset. That is the user for whom you will give the credentials, right? You are the root user. For other users, you will be transferring the credentials. That is this username and the password. From the next time when they use the console, they will get a console call to change the password for in the next login. That is, after they get logged in, they will be having the permission to change their password. Okay, so can you kindly move a bit down, sir? Scroll it down.
Yeah. It's not scrolling.
Yeah, even I am seeing that. That is the reason.
But it's not.
What happened?
Let me just check.
Okay.
It's that's all I think. You
Okay,
can
okay.
see the next button.
You can go for the next. You can go for the next.
Yeah. So you want to give that user must change option now?
Yes. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
Okay.
Let us experience everything. Okay. Now, this is the permissions where we can create the group. Okay. See, you can add user to the group. We can add the user to any groups, or you also have one more thing called as copy permissions from existing user. For example, if I have a user called as John and I have set some permissions for the John, if the same permission has to be applied to the new user, that is Harish, which has been created by Harish sir, we can press on the copy permissions from existing user, and we can just select the username, so that all the users which is for that particular user will be inherited to the new user. As there are no users created before, we need to move further. We can't choose that particular option. Okay, yes sir, you can also create the group and add the users for some particular group. Just create it with the name called as admin or something. Not there, yeah, in the group name. Okay, yeah, that's nice. And the type of policies are nothing but there will be multiple policies. As per now, we can just give the administrator access, which is also just like a root access. About other policies or about other permissions, I'll be letting you know in the upcoming classes one by one. As per now, we have given the administrator access, where administrator access is just like a giving complete access such as the root account. Okay, so you can move further. We have created a group for called admin, and we have given the administrator access, which you can see over here. You can go for the next screen, sir. Yes, here this is tags. Tags is nothing but for your information, sir. You can give tag. This you can give the key as name, that is with capital N, and you can value. You can add something, that is it's called a group of admins, or it is the group specifically for admins. Just any information. It's just like a comment. Okay, admin is more than enough. You can go for next. Admin group. Super. You can go for that. This is the review screen where you can review all the things, what all the customization you have made. It will come under the one screen where you can refer it. That is, you can see the username, access keys, management console, and console password type is auto generated. Required password reset, yes. No permission boundaries is set. There are multiple things. Okay, you can go for the next. Super. This is very important screen. This is very much important screen. Everyone kindly have your concentration over here. You can see that you successfully created the user shown below. You can view and download user security credentials, which is very important for the login. You can also email user instruction for signing into your AWS management console. I'm doing this role presently also. That is, every time we create a new user, we will get an Excel sheet. That is, you can see the download.csv, right? Please click on that download.csv, sir. Not there, not there. Left side, download.csv. Okay, Excel sheet will be downloaded. Kindly open the Excel sheet, sir. Kindly open the Excel sheet. Okay.
Yeah.
See, you can see some just make it larger. That is, drag it, the password and the access key and everything. Access key is not there. Okay, super. You can see the username and the password, that is auto-generated password, and you can see the console link. Okay, for example, you are a root user. Every time when a new user comes to your company, you need to do the same process, and you need to mail the Excel sheet to that particular user. Okay, what that user do means, from this link, console login link, you will paste that link and you will get an access by pasting the password and the username. Okay, Now do one thing, sir. Let us play a role of the guest user. Just copy that link, sir, console login link, and open a new tab without disturbing the
Okay.
previous tab. Okay, you can minimize this Excel sheet. Yeah, open a new tab and paste the link. Okay, yeah, super. Yeah, it's loading. Let us wait. See, you got the sign in as an IAM user. It's not a root user, it's an IAM user. Okay, now you can give the username, sir, and password you can copy from the Excel sheet. Yeah, super. You can paste it over here and sign in. Okay, see, this is just a minute. This is for we have check marked there to for require the password reset in the next login. That is the reason you need to reset the password. Okay, you can type the old password and the new password. Okay, yeah. So, okay, confirm password change. So that now a new AWS user has, that is IAM user, has got his access to the AWS management console. You can see the name, sir. Only you can see
Yeah.
at 23, that is user ID, it's given right in the right side.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah, right.
that is why, because if and only if the name is succeeded with the user ID, that is the format for the IAM user. Whereas please go to that console, that is the main console, not for this main console, main console, sir. One more tab, previous.
Okay.
Yes. Just go for reload. Okay, you need to sign in once again. Sign in, not an issue. Sign into it, sir. Okay. It's with
This
Hari.
is,
Oh, okay. You can just log out of this and you can log in through your root account.
I think not.
Okay, it's
It's
just not
taking
allowing you to log in with the two different accounts
two different
in the
accounts.
same browser. Okay, if such
Yeah.
cases arise, you can do one thing. You can log in from one user from the Google Chrome and another user from the Mozilla Firefox. Okay,
Okay.
in my
I
company,
have
basically
this.
I do like that, and you can sign it out.
Yeah.
Not an issue.
It's,
Sign out and sign in through them.
maybe.
Sir, is that programming access is given only for the developers, right?
Not only
Who
developers,
will be developing
not only for developers. It's basically for specific tasks where we will be using some development tools. Programmatic access, which we solution architects are not concerned about this. It's AWS developer. Basically, they will be using it, sir, and they will code through the
So
JSON language.
they will come up on stating, right, this access to be given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. You got this link. This is how you will be creating the user. Okay, and you that Excel sheet is there, right? Every time you need to mail the Excel sheet to that particular user where he can log into his AWS account. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Is it clear with the user creation and the group creation? Kindly go for IAM once again. Let us check with the existing users. Go for service, go for services, and search for IAM. No, this is a new console, right? That's the reason it's
Yeah.
not showing the previously used services. Just search for it, you will get it. Yeah, it's in the top. It's in the top. You can go. Yes. You can see that user, there is one user and there is one group. Okay. Again, you can go for the group and you can add one more user by creating the user. Okay. In the same way, the user and group management can be done. You can create multiple users and you can shift them to multiple groups. Is that fine, sir? Are you clear with this?
Yes, yes.
Super. Now, so this is the first part of the IAM account where we will be stopping the IAM service as per now. Okay, because after learning the storage and the actual cloud computing part, we will come back to the IAM for labs, for performing the advanced labs. So from tomorrow, that is from the next class, what we will be doing is we will be learning the storage concept, that is the S3 simple storage service, where you will be having some 10 labs, okay, altogether in combining with the EC2. After learning the S3 service, we will be going to the EC2 service. Is that fine, sir? So are you guys clear with today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So okay, just can you stop sharing your screen, sir? I have something to tell with the PPTs. So
Yeah.
let's wind up the session. Yeah, thank you so much. Just a minute. Yeah, you can see my PPT, right?
Yeah.
This is what we left, and there are some of the key terminologies in IAM that you need to know, where the word user refers to the end users such as people, employees of the organization. Just now we have created a user, and groups are nothing but a collection of users where each user in the group will inherit the permission of the group. Okay, each user in the group will inherit the permission of the group. That is, you have given the administrator access for the user, right, while creating him. That administrator access will inherit for all the new users that you will add to that admin group. Okay, and policies are nothing but made up documents called policy documents. These documents are in format called as JSON language. This is the policies which are developed by the developers and which we don't have any things to change the permissions. Okay, so but there are already pre-created policies which we can create it through management console access, which we will be doing it in the further classes. And roles are nothing but we can create the roles and assign them to the AWS resource. Okay, even on this we will be doing some labs in EC2 section by integrating that EC2 service with the IAM service. So this is an end of this particular IAM service, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone can follow my language or my teaching. If you want me to make any changes, kindly let me know. I'll make those changes. Okay.
Yes, there is no issue.
Okay, thank you so much. And you will be getting the recorded videos, okay, and also the PPTs and the recorded videos, okay, and the notes of this complete AWS will be given at the last of the course, that is end of the course. Okay, so
Sir, I just want to know that,
yes,
if you
sir.
give an end of the course and when we'll study, that is the thing. Actually, by the time I might have, done my AWS certification, I just waited and waited.
Okay,
It is possible to share the, notes along with the, the teaching. I can go with the study where I can clear, clear this examination. Also, I need dumps. As
you
you
also
said,
need,
you have some
right?
dumps. If you give that also,
Okay,
yeah,
sure.
dumps. Everything I require at a time, because if you're delaying it, it is going back. I cannot drag it now. Actually, I planned, to do in December. It's all in January. Maybe it goes in February.
Okay. Oh, fine, sir. No problem. I'll be giving it within maybe within this week. Okay. You'll be getting it the notes, and definitely with the dumps also I'll help you. I'll share the dumps with the Nirmala ma'am. You can collect it from her. Okay.
Okay, and one more thing is that if you are taking class like 7:30 to 8:30,
Yes.
so how many days it will take to complete the course, sir?
So max to max, it will take 45 days to the max. Okay.
Okay.
If there is any delay, otherwise it will be done within some 40 days.
So
Okay.
actually, Nirmala madam told it will be like 7:30 to 9:30.
7:30 to 9:30. No, actually that is 2 hours class is for 3 days a week. As we are doing all the 5 days, it will be 1 hour per 1 hour or to 1.5 hour per day, sir. As it is an introduction
Okay,
class, I cannot start with the
yeah,
three concepts, right? It will be a
yeah,
half.
that's better. Better, yeah.
That is the reason I said. And don't worry, sir.
Oh,
Whatever it is,
no
for
problem.
example, it's not the only restriction for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. If you guys didn't
Yeah,
accept, I am also okay to extend the class up to 2 hours to 2.5 hours. And based on your
yeah,
requirement, definitely I'll be doing it, sir. It's not at all an issue.
yeah. No, No problem. No
No
problem.
problem, right?
So then we can consider this, it will be done before February.
Before February end, right? Definitely, sir. I can assure you that
Yeah.
if there are no such as delay or hold from other side, I can promise you by end of the February, the course will be completed with full satisfaction. Okay. And let me tell you from my side, even after the completing of the course, if you need any concepts to be rethought again, or if you want me to repeat the concepts, definitely even I am ready for that. From APC Learning Solutions, they have given me the complete permissions. Until the student is satisfied, we will be teaching you, sir. That's not at all an issue.
And that is fantastic. And one more thing I just want to ask, you might have taken so many classes, right?
Yes.
So is there any previously taken records are available? Anyhow, I will be free on weekends, so I can continually watch like 6 to 7 hours. I can proceed.
Such
That will
videos,
be very helpful for me.
I want to check
Yeah,
with
that will be very helpful. Yeah, that is kind of very helpful for me to clear exam.
exactly. I'll do one thing, sir. I'll just speak this with the administrator team, that is Nirmala ma'am and Shireen ma'am. If that is possible to be make, at least if not, that means we have one of our colleague only has beautiful videos on the online platform. Even I'll make that is available for you. Okay.
Okay.
And last thing is, is there any website where you like get like scenarios?
Scenario based questions.
Like, yeah.
Definitely in Google there are many websites for AWS. So I'll be even sharing.
I searched, but I didn't find that. That's
Okay.
right.
I'll make it available for you, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me some time. I'll
You can
just
share it. Share it to everyone. So it's common for everyone.
Of course, definitely, sir. For everyone will be sharing it. It's not only for, but I need. I have as a trainer. I have some of the restrictions from the company. I'll just speak about it about the sharing of the videos of other batches and other things. Okay. About that, I can't assure you. Other than that, as you asked, the dumps and all, and I think that dumps at this particular initial stage, it's not necessary. As Suresh sir, I can understand your position. So I'll be sharing that with everyone. Okay. So that whenever it's necessary, you can refer to those things.
Yeah, and then will be nice.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So any other queries?
By the way, your name.
My name is Chetan Iyer. My name is Chetan Iyer. Sorry, I thought into the introduction class because Suresh sir and Praveen sir. I'm sorry. It's Chetan Iyer.
Sorry, because it's displayed Dell.
Okay.
Sir, I just may I have which company you're working now?
At present, I'm working in IDEON USA, sir. IDEON USA.
Okay.
IDEON USA, and by April I'll be shifting to Deloitte in Bangalore campus only. That's on Palace Road. Deloitte.
Okay.
I have my note. I'm working for my notice period for 3 months. April for Deloitte. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
you are a solution architect, right?
Now I'm not a solution architect, sir. Now I am into data science. I mean in IDEON USA I am a solution architect. But in Deloitte, my designation, what I'm working is assistant data scientist.
Wow, nice. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. At present, yes, I'm solution architect. I'm working.
Okay, so nice.
Super. Yes, sir. Any other things, sir?
No, that's all from my side.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice having you. I hope from tomorrow's session, it will be 1.5 hour session as we move on to the advanced labs. Okay, so that don't worry, sir. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask me or you can contact Nirmala ma'am. We will be available for you all the time. So by February, your course will come to an end. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You'll get the recordings very soon. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.